Hi, welcome to my channel. So you've got yourself an ENDER 3 Pro and you want to change the filament. Now this is a brand new one here we've got in black. Remember, never release that. If you ever take that filament away from this, don't let it spring out because it will be quite a job to untangle it. So keep it in there until you actually get it near where you want it. You're going to have to remove your existing filament. We've got this white one in there. Before we pull that out, now the way you pull it out is you push this, hold your finger on the metal, don't hold it on this plastic part, and then you'll be able to pull it, but you need to make sure the nozzle is hot first. So to get the nozzle hot, just press, then go down to temperature with this knob, turn it down round twice, press, go to nozzle and set it at 200 for now. Okay. Press again and you go back up one to the main screen, up to info screen, turning that to the left, and you'll see that'll get to 200, and when it does you'll be ready to pull it out. Or hang the new wheel there like so. We've still got that in there at the moment before we do it. Just waiting for that to get to 200. It says 200 here, that's just telling you the aim or the target. This is the one that matters. We're getting close. I notice with this 3D roll, there are some recommended settings written on the side. Okay, we're easily at 200. So we'll be able to squeeze now and gently pull, and it should come out all the way. Now we'll leave the temperature hot because we're going to need that for our new filament, which is here. And they do say cut the end at an angle with some snips. Just do like a pointy angle, snip that. Then you can take this out, but don't let go until you've got it in the nozzle. Okay, we've got it like that, so it winds nicely. And we're going to just poke it in that hole just down there. Now we'll squeeze, again, careful not to break this section here. We're sort of pushing into the hole, squeezing, and you might have to twist it a couple of times just to make it find the actual hole, because the end might be twisted to one side like this one is. So just keep twisting. Eventually it will go in the hole that is there. Okay, it's in there, and then you feed it through. And you keep going, you keep pushing until it stops, basically. Remember that the temperature is still hot. So when it meets the right place, right, it won't push anymore now. Let go. And then come down here and you'll see that it starts to poke through, look. And that's starting already to come through in black. And you're ready. The temperature's still at 200, so we've already got an SD card in. We've taken an image from Universe. Yeah. Ultimaker Thingiverse, I meant, and there's lots of options here, as you can see. So we're going to do this in black, and it will hold my Icon radio. Once you've downloaded the file, just double click it, and look, if you double click it, actually will open up ultimaker-cura for you. You can change it if you want, you can prepare, preview, but once you're done, just click slice, and then you can drag it to an SD card, or if you had your PC connected via USB to the printer, it will just send it straight there, and you just select print. But we're going to put the SD card in the ENDER 3, then we just press here. Now we've already leveled the base. You level just with a normal piece of paper. We've selected auto home just to get it back to its starting position. and then give the base a clean. To level, just press that button, go down to motion, disable that, down to disable steppers, press, and then you'll be able to move this plate out. You can move it along like so. Get some paper and do each corner, and you don't want it to be, you want it to go under, but you want it, you want it to go under, but you want some friction. And if it won't go under, remember, towards me is going to give you more room. Go like so until it slides under. There you are, it's starting to go under now. So you want that sort of friction. Go a tad more. You want it to touch, grip, but you don't want it, you just want some friction. And then remember, going the other way up to the top with the wheel is going to make it tighter. And do each corner like so. Once you've gone round each corner, same system. You can move the bed forward, look, go under, then you'll be ready, then you'll be leveled then. And what I do is press it again. I go back to motion, auto home. You don't really have to do this, but that's what I do. It will home itself. Do a better job of cleaning than I did. But anyway, then go to main, info screen. Just press this once. Of course, your SD card should be in the device. Just goes in here. Look, I'll just show you that it's got to be the right way around. Sort of gold upwards. This is where you would connect the PC if you didn't want to use the SD card. Back here, press once, scroll to the bottom, print from media, and now we've got to find the 51, which is second one down, icon 51, enter, turn to the right, print. And then what it will do now, it will heat up the bed and the nozzle, and then once everything has reached temperature and you are fully informed looking at the display here, it will just come to life and start to print. You've got the wheel at the top, your filament coming down, going through, out here, and away you go. And the Ender 3 Pro has an improved power supply, which is here, easier access for the SD card. This frame design apparently is better. They've got the ribbon there that makes it go back and forth, and then at the top you've got it going right and left. It does come partially assembled, so when you're assembling it, you're adding this arch, this, and then connecting all the connectors. The hardest bit was probably assembling this arm, because you have to add the extruder to the arm and bolt on the, but you can see it's coming to life now. So it's very important that you do level things properly. It does that sort of tester line here. And that's it, it's going to start to print the outline. I'm hoping that the wheel, has plenty, it doesn't get too taut, but it shouldn't do. Thanks for watching my channel. It's fun learning, and looking forward to having my stand. If you're really good at making stands, you'll make one that's as nice as this. Bye for now, all the best.